Today I'm going to receive a treatment based on the Eastern ancient art of traditional Chinese medicine. Not only does it benefit the internal environment like digestion, but it can also help you cosmetically.
Basically, traditional Chinese medicine utilizes a lot of principles for understanding how the body works from an internal perspective in terms of the energy balance, which is the qi, and that in its way how it works with the movement of blood and the balance of the yin and the yang, which usually has a very strong hormonal connection to the system. Mostly Chinese medicine focuses on a person's individualized constitution. Most Western doctors are usually looking for x-rays or blood results to determine what's wrong with the person's body.
You being a traditional Chinese medicine doctor, how would you differ from an acupuncturist? Because I've seen both.
Traditional Chinese medicine and programs that I've been exposed to usually has students going into a program of having a lot of specialized training with acupuncture, herbal medicine, and the diagnostics, because the diagnostics is key. That allows us to be able to provide a specific prescription of acupoints for what's specifically needed for the particular patient for that condition.
What are we doing today? What do we have to do for cosmetic acupuncture?
Well, basically, when patients do come in requesting it, we want to make sure that the person overall has internal health to begin with, because the face is a manifestation of how well the internal body is. A lot of times, our face will show up a lot of times when there's illnesses and there's pathologies. Even if a person has a history of migraines or allergies, it's very depleting for the skin and very depleting for the face. So you can almost look in a person's eyes and understand the window of what's happening to their body internally. Cosmetic acupuncture is fantastic, but you just want to make sure that we're combining it with the utilization of allowing the body to have inner balance as well. These points, they're not just there to innervate specific facial muscles, they're actually falling along specific meridians and pathways that are related to the internal organs. So we're actually helping to regulate that internal organ at the same time. And this is the secondary benefit, which is having the circulation to the skin.
What are some of the conditions you've helped with?
There's like a whole list of things that traditional Chinese medicine can help. Anything from insomnia to sciatica to fresh fractures, athletic injuries, any different levels of migraines, headaches, eye disorders, gynecological problems for women, menopause-related disorders, and infertility. The fundamental uses of acupuncture, first and foremost, will help to relax the body, and that'll help to open them up to the healing process.
So what's the benefits of moxibustion?
Well, moxibustion is actually a wonderful technique to help to warm specific areas of the body, to help to improve qi and blood circulation, primarily to the area of the acupoint that we want to help to increase tonification to. It has a distinct smell. It's actually mugwort wrapped in mulberry bark. And the reason why we're doing it over these acupoints is that this is going to help to increase more blood flow to your system, and it's also very good for your digestive system as well.
Traditional Chinese medicine is considered an alternative therapy, yet it's been around 3,000 to 4,000 years, much longer than modern medicine. Even though the philosophies are very different and it's hard to get your head around it, the results are significant. I'm Dr. Scott Levine, and that's Toronto Living.